Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil service light on an Audi A3 8L model. You can see when we turn it on we get the oil service light that comes up. So turn it off, put your finger onto the right hand button, turn it on and hold it for 2 seconds. Done it a tiny bit longer here. Take it off and then put it onto the left button and then pull the button out. You'll see the service reset there and it's done. Just going to quickly restart it and no oil one light. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, comments or feedback, please leave them below.